whoever these people, I don't know these people. Okay, let's run it. Love! I need love. Come on! I need love. What we need? We need love. Yeah. We need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. We need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. Most people think love is soft, but it's not. In fact, it's the most powerful word in this world that we've got. Listen to me now, love and respect is a beautiful thing. Just try it out and you will see what I mean. We could use a bit of kindness from in between. Cause I said we need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. We need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. Take it off! Cause nowadays the world is crazy, killing wars and molesting babies. Life is simple, take a dose and just follow. Life is a blessing given to you by the Father. We all searching for the same old thing. Good wealth, long time and blessing. Try love, skip hate and don't bother. Life is a blessing given to you. What? We need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. I said we need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. James, give them to them. I said we need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. We need love here today. We need love, peace and respect coming round the way. Let me give the last verse one more time. Hey, most people think love is soft, but it's not. Okay? It's the most powerful word in this world that we've got. You don't gotta be tough all the time. Love and respect, just a beautiful thing.